Hello everyone, in the previous video we start to trade after two losses. Let's go and see what happened to that. I think we lost two more times. We lost lots of money. I didn't like trading because whenever President Trump or anyone else touch, the market is going to change a lot, but I can't prefer how this happened and what is it happening. I can't really think about it. We have Trump coin 4 days, 5 days ago, and now we have nothing. Okay, we are lost a lots of money again. I think it's go to top. Let's see what happened to us. Ate a little from this percentage of profit. I think we are okay. We lost lots of money, 2,000 again. Why? Because the price go up and up. We are going to we buy here, and because we have take loss, we left the price here. But I'm going to start another sell fast. Why? Because I am okay with that the price is going to go down. I create a sell and create it, and to take profit. Let's go to our paper trading. We have an open position here, I think. Okay, let's delete it. Let's make it a stop loss and take profit. Modify that. Now we have a stop and take profit. Let's put the stop here and let's change the take profit to here. No, we are going downer. I make the take profit to here. Here is good. I don't have any rule for now. We are just trading casually, but we are going to do trading less casually in the next videos. But now we are doing this casually without any rules and anything. Just we create a deadline and do the trading. Until the next episode of this trading journey, don't forget to ask me if you have any question in the comments. I will answer. And like and subscribe if you like it. We have more useful courses in our channel. You can watch them. Have a nice time. Until then, bye.